Welcome to the new Buzz tutorial on how to create hotspots using multiple answer questions. First thing we're going to do is in our Buzz teacher instance, we're going to go to our course and click on the editor tool. In the editor, we can click Add Activity and go to Assessment or Practice Questions. So remember, you can use these for practice questions or you can use these in an assessment. We're going to title our activity. And then we're going to go into questions. In questions, I'm going to click the plus sign in the upper left corner to create a new question. Under question type, I am then going to select multiple answer. We're going to scroll down, or it may be on your side depending on the size of your screen, and we're going to go down to interaction. In interaction, we're going to click graphic. Then we're going to scroll back up and you're going to notice your screen has changed a little bit. So we need to select an image that students are then going to make choices off of. So you can create these in Google Slides or you can pull them in from other places. I happen to have created two, one for elementary and one for secondary, in a Google Slide. So I'm going to go and I'm going to select image. I'm going to go find my images I had currently downloaded. And I'm going to press open. So here's the image. I've already put my question in the image. If you need to, you can still type up here to put directions in. The next thing we need to do is we need to create our answers. Because this is multiple answer, there should be more than one answer to the question. So I'm going to come down to my answers and I'm going to select Add Hotspot. You're going to notice a hotspot comes in over here. I'm going to take it, drag it, and put it around my animals. Now it can be a square. You can also change your hotspot down here below under shape to make it a circle. You can play with your margins here if you want to, or you can just drag and drop and manipulate the way you need to. Circle still does have a little manipulation. It's a little hard to see right there, but there's a tiny little triangle. I'm going to add my next hotspot now. Again, I want to make this a circle. I'm going to go find my hotspot, take it to my next animal. Then, once I'm out of answers, I can add new. Again, continue to add hotspots. My last hotspot, I'm going to keep a rectangle because I've got the little dolphin here. Alright, once I'm done, then all I need to do is select my answers of which animals are the correct ones. You're going to notice that the answer is selected because there's now a solid line around the circle instead of the dotted line. Then I can go to settings, play with my settings if I want to. And then press save. I can then go to preview preview the activity for my students. So in this image, all they're going to do is click on the animals that they feel are correct and then submit their answers. You can do the same thing for secondary, right? For secondary, again, I had created a Google slide, and I'm going to go to multiple answer again. I'm going to go down to interaction, click graphic, and then I'm going to go find my image. All right, I chose health for this, so we're going to do a little bit of the systems of the human body. All right, I'm going to add my second answers, and then I'm going to go drag this over and put them over my bodies. Again, you're going to notice that I did, and you can also click this if it's going to be the same size area for everything, just to save yourself time of having to resize everything all the time. It's a nice little feature. You also may have to, there we go. Manipulate some things. All right, so in this case, they have to pick the systems that are labeled correctly. And then again, when I come in, I go down. Here is what the question would look like for the students. They just click on the systems they feel are correct. So this is how you would create a hotspot activity from a multiple answer question within Buzz.